I'm with the gang, and we about to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing.
We're here, Manassas, Virginia. We're here with the EP3. Got the exhaust on. The axle back, we're right here at Max Custom Exhaust. This is Max Custom Exhaust here in Manassas, Virginia. Does good work. Hit them up. I'll put the info on the comments. I'll put the info in the description below. Now, look at this guy. He's happy. But the axle back, the flange of the axle back was twisted because there's eBay piping on here. So the Megan Racing axle back exhaust didn't line up. So we came over here so they can cut it, twist it, tighten everything up under there, and we good to go. So
there's some nice cars here though.
Yeah, you got the old school Chevy. I think it's a Bel Air back there. But he does a lot of he does good work here. So we're gonna get this taken care of today. There it is.
Take the axle back out?
I told him where it's at. There she goes. They're about to work on it. So the exhaust is done. First startup with the new exhaust. Here we go. We made it back to the house. And it's always something, man. Always something. The fender well just crumbled up and decided to take a shit. Mind you, it made it fine over there. We didn't know it had an issue, but it's always something, man. You fix one thing and you break something else. But the good thing is the car is home.
She sounds amazing.
She sounds really good.
She's not roaring and screaming.
She's got its power back. And yeah, so we just gonna keep wrenching. What's up, people? So we got the EP there. We're done for the day. The exhaust is on. Sounds good. Shout out to my man Max Custom Exhaust, Manassas, Virginia. My boy CJ.
Now you have the heat gun, right?
Switching lanes, up and coming. That's his ride. Let's go take a look at his ride real quick, people. You know what I'm saying? Nice SI. Turn the key and go. So what mostly I don't know is that CJ right here had an EP3 just like that one. And he gave up on it. And he said, fuck it. Not a bad decision though, right? To your sex, CJ. Very, very EP3. That fucking glass is killing me. Sorry for cursing YouTube, but it's gonna get done. Trust me, it's gonna get done. Project Iron Man's in the garage. SIEG just sitting here waiting. And now we waiting for Josh to pull up. Sounds like Josh. So mostly I don't know, right? But this is my young generation right here, switching lanes. Switching lanes, baby.
Yeah, like 198 plus tax, like 200.
Yeah, it's like $200. Yeah. And then the dude's charging me $150. He's like, yo, bring me the glass, $150, and I give you a lifetime warranty. He even asked me, he's like, where you getting the glass from? For $200? And I was like, yeah. I told him Walmart. He's like, Walmart? I was like, yo, I was surprised.
I'm not at the crib. I called you. I'm driving out.
Yeah, but we went to, look, this is where we came from. We went right here to Max Custom Exhaust. Your dad sent me to that dude, Mac.
Yeah, Mac's good.
Yeah, he hooked us up.
I saw y'all driving to my house.
I might get him to read your mind. I don't know. We'll see.
Is it great? Is it great?
So proud of these guys.
Nah, just meet me.
Yeah, I feel old, man. fucking kid was like 5 when I met him. Look at him, now he's 5 feet something. Him too.
Short like my dad.
Sitting in my fucking, sitting in my brother's house. Waiting for some fried chicken and to play PlayStation. Now look at him. Come on, Theo Ray, I'm talking to my girl.
Yo, all y'all can get this work right now.
I'm proud of them. You know why I'm proud of them? Because when we started with buckets. You know what I'm saying? Like that hash that's in there.
Nah, I tried.
Y'all started and y'all came out off the gate.
I tried that, bro. It didn't go right. I had bought that EK, that white EK. It didn't go. It was too much, so I let it go.
Yeah, I'm proud of y'all. Y'all doing it right.
I blew my motor up twice.
Blew it up twice. Man, what is it with these Hondas, man?
I was gonna get dyno 2 days before we raced.
Forget about yours.
Even before.
Yeah, she's there. She's just sit there nice. That's her. Yeah, she's watching her kids. All right, people, I'm about to wrap up this video, man. So we had a good day. We got the tires in there. We're gonna put the tires on Saturday.
That guy over there.
He's gonna order a couple more stuff. We're gonna take a look at some other things to do to the car, but right now we're good, man. Car sounds good. Exhaust is on there nice and tight.
We're just gonna buy the glass. That's it.
Blame him. You see? You see? Well, it could have been you or Josh. One of y'all two.
Yeah.
Sorry, neighbor.
Sorry.
So yeah, let me wrap this video up, man. We're done for the day. The glass is gonna get done. The tires are inside. Exhaust is on. It's nice and tight. And yeah, got my boys here. We just chilling out. Switching lanes, Gen 2. And we'll see you on the next one. Say peace out.
Peace. Swit.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm with the gang, and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing.